was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep my...
Alright, so good day mga kayamers. Kamusta po ang lahat? Alright, so for today's video mga kayamers, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga last part na videos na pagbuo natin dito or pag-build nito kay Inspire. And then, walk around ko kayo sa mga ginawa natin. Alright? So, please stay tuned. So, ito na mga kayamers, no? Nabuo na natin si Inspire Brat Style Honda CB125. Okay? So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung kanyang dating look. So, ito yan. Okay? Alright. So, dito muna tayo sa harapan mga kayamers. So, ang nangyari is tinanggal natin yung gauge, yung cover sa harap, pati yung ilaw. Okay, pinalitan natin yan. So, bumili tayo ng universal na gauge. Okay? Ayan. And then, nilagyan natin ng ating phone holder. So, ang dami ng motorsiklo na ginawa natin na na-install natin tong ating phone holder. And then yung headlight, universal headlight na pang classic. Okay? And then mga kayamers, ito, yan, pinalitan rin natin yung ating handlebar. Okay? Then nilagyan natin ng riser. Okay? Itong handle grip, pinalitan natin ng diamond handle grip. Yung kanyang, yung kanyang side mirrors. Yan. Pinalitan din natin yan, mga kayamers. Itong lever, kasi naputol to nung nakuha natin. May uka siya dito. So, pinalitan natin yan ng bago. And then, itong switch na to, mga kayamers, pang hazard natin yan. Yan, pang hazard natin yan. Alright. Okay, so sa mga cables, mga kayamers, when I check, okay pa naman lahat. Ang pinilitan lang naman natin dito is yung speedometer cable, tsaka yung kanyang assembly dito sa loob kasi hindi na gumagana. Right? And then yung signal light, bullet na signal light. Okay, so yan. Tapos nilagyan natin ng fork boots sa harap. And then itong kanyang tapalodo sa harap, mga kayamers, ayan pa rin yung dating tapalodo. So, kinat lang natin yan, okay? Para at least hindi na tayo gaanong gumastos. Then yung mga wires dito, inayos natin, nilinis natin. Itong switch sa harap, mga kayamers, pinalitan rin natin to. Ito pa rin yung stock na switch ng pang Honda CB125. So, ayan. Okay. And then, yung gulong, same pa rin. Pinalitan lang natin dito yung rim. Okay. From 1.4 by 17, ginawa lang natin siyang 1.85 by 17. Okay. So, ayan yung harap. So, hindi na ako nagpalit ng harap. Kung sasabihin nyo sana, medyo nilakihan yung harap. Nasa plano sana yon, pero yun na nga, okay pa tong harap na gulong. Ang size niya ay 70 by 90. So, pwede pa yan. Pansamantagal. So, kaya hindi mo tayo nagpalit. Okay. So, isa pa dito, mga kayamers, yung nasa harap, naglagay tayo nito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala na dito yung ignition switch. Iba na to. So, charger na to na mayroong voltmeter. So, yan, dyan. Nilagay natin yan. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung paint job, matte lang siya. Hindi natin ginawang glossy. Para mas mukhang classic, mas mukhang luma. So, 80% nitong motor ay black kasi since yung nasa rehistro niya ay black yung color. Okay? Itong emblem ng Honda. So, pinalitan rin natin. Itong tank cap. Yan, pinalitan rin natin yan. Set yan. Binili ko yung cap tsaka yung ignition. So, kasi medyo hindi na maganda yung yung susi nito nung nakuha ko. Right? So, punta naman tayo dito sa may makina banda. So, kinulayan natin yan ng matte black. And then, naglagay lang tayo ng konting details na silver. Okay, so ano yan? High temp na paint yung gamit natin. Okay. And then, naglinis tayo ng carb. Nilinisan natin yan. Nagpalit tayo ng ating air filter. Cone type na yung ginawa natin na air filter. By the way, yung sa carb natin, naglagay rin tayo or pinilitan natin yung ibang mga pyesa niya. So, bumili tayo ng repair kit for our carb. So, yung mga jettings yan, iba na. Pero stock size pa rin lahat. Okay. So, bumili rin tayo dito nung breather para sa engine breather. Right? So, yung mga pedals, ayos pa naman yung mga pedals kaya hindi natin panilitan. Yung side stand, yung center stand, hindi natin pinilitan yan. Ito lang yung rear footrest, pinilitan natin. Okay, so ditong part naman nagpalit lang tayo ng naglagay lang tayo ng extension dito sa kanyang ignition coil. Okay, and then nagpalit rin tayo ng spark plug cap. So split fire yung pinalit natin dyan. Tapos sa exhaust, since nandiyan dyan na exhaust, nagbalo tayo ng thermal wrap. So ito chicken pipe to yung binili natin na stainless. Right? And then itong nilagyan natin yung ng paint yung yung Honda dito. Right? Another thing, kung mapapansin nyo, nandito na yung ignition switch niya sa gilid. Dito na natin nilipat. Yan. So, nakatanggal na rin yung lalagyanan ng battery dito, tsaka yung air filter box. So, naked type yung ginawa natin, or naked look na brat style. Okay, yung upuan, pinalitan rin natin. So, universal na diamond seat yung nilagay natin dito. Okay. So, itong shock sa likod, same pa rin yan. Pininturahan natin, yung stock niya pa rin. So, nilinis lang natin ng konti kasi okay pa naman. Then, yung size ng rim sa likod, from 1.4 by 17, 1.85 by 17. Yung tire niya is 80 by 90 sa likod. Yan. Then, yung sprockets niya, pinalitan natin. Okay. So, 42 and then 14 sa engine. So, 42 dito sa rear sprocket and then sa engine sprocket, 14 and then naka-gold, gold chain and then gold sprockets. Okay. Then, pinutol natin yung rear end nito. So, gumawa tayo ng U-bend gamit yung carrier nito since, at least low budget build, di ba? So, pinalitan, yun yung ginamit natin pang U-bend. So, nag-cut lang tayo dito. So, makikita nyo sa mga previous videos natin. Alright? And then, konting retouch sa mga paints. Dahil yung iba mayroong surface rust. Tapos yung taillight, actually pinilitan natin to. Yung una kasi yung bilog yung taillight natin. Pero nung bumiyahe tayo, medyo nagkaroon ng problema sa taillight niya. Kaya nagpalit na lang tayo ng strip na tail light. Okay, so yung signal light sa likod, bullet type din. Okay, so maglagay tayo dito ng bag for tools or anything na kailangan yung dalhin or kailangan natin dalhin sa mga rides natin. Alright, then itong cover, yan sa likod, yung mud cover, naglagay din tayo dyan. Okay, so yan siya mga yammers. Tapos nag-change oil na rin tayo. Yung spark plug pinalitan rin natin. Then tinono natin yung carb. So hopefully natono natin ng tama. So we tried i-tune up to, pero siguro sa mga susunod na videos na lang. Okay, so yan ang mga kayammers. Yan yung build natin kay Inspire Brat Look. Okay, ang ating Honda CB125. Okay, so I think that's all for today mga kayammers. Abangan nyo na lang mga susunod na videos natin with Inspire. So medyo sabihin na natin 99.9% okay na siya. So titingnan na lang natin kung gaano siya katagal pag maglo-long ride tayo. Okay, so that's all for today mga kayammers. I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you mga kayammers, and peace out.
I don't play both sides, don't need no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.